Hey everyone, is Marvel Rivals not launching or opening on your Windows 11 computer? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step solutions to fix the issue and get you back in the game. Let's dive in. First, open the Steam app and click on Library in the top menu. Find Marvel Rivals in your game list, right-click it, and choose Properties. Under the Installed Files tab, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check if any game files are missing or corrupted and will automatically repair them. Once it's done, try launching the game again. Step 2. Adjust compatibility settings. If verifying the files didn't work, right-click on Marvel Rivals in your library, select Manage, and then Browse Local Files. Find the Marvel Rivals launcher file, right-click it, and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and check Run this program as administrator and disable full-screen optimizations. Click Apply and OK. Now right-click the launcher again and select Run as administrator. This might resolve the issue. Step 3. Update your graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers could be the problem. Open the Start menu, type Device Manager, and open it. Expand Display Adapters to find your graphics card. Right-click your graphics card and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. If your drivers are already up to date, you might need to manually update them. For NVIDIA users, download the latest drivers through the NVIDIA GeForce Experience app under the Drivers tab. AMD users can update their drivers through the Radeon software. Once updated, restart your PC and relaunch Marvel Rivals. Step 4. Disable Windows Defender Firewall temporarily. If the issue persists, disabling the Windows Defender Firewall might help. Search for Windows Defender Firewall in the Start menu. Click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Turn off both private and public network settings and click OK. Try launching the game again. Don't forget to re-enable the firewall afterward for security. Step 5. Try the Epic Games Launcher. If you're still having trouble, consider using the Epic Games Launcher instead of Steam. Download the Epic Games Launcher, install Marvel Rivals from there, and see if the issue persists. Sometimes switching platforms can resolve these types of problems. After trying these steps, Marvel Rivals should launch without any issues. If this video helped, drop a like, subscribe for more quick fixes, and let me know in the comments what worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.